Welcome to our video on developing a growth mindset. Together, we'll explore how belief in your ability to grow can significantly impact your success and happiness. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the difference. A fixed mindset sees talents as unchangeable, while a growth mindset believes abilities can improve with effort. Imagine thinking, "I'm bad at math and that's final," versus, "Math is challenging, but practice will make me better." Step 2. Embrace challenges. Instead of avoiding them, see challenges as learning opportunities. It's okay if you fail. Each failure brings valuable lessons, building your confidence and learning ability over time. Step 3. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are essential for growth. Rather than feeling ashamed, view them as chances to learn. Reflect on what went wrong and decide how you can improve next time, building resilience and perseverance. Step 4. Seek feedback. Feedback isn't criticism, it's a tool for improvement. Welcome feedback from peers, friends, or mentors, using it as a chance to hone your skills. Remember, it's about bettering yourself, not taking things personally. Step 5. Celebrate progress. Don't just honor the final outcome, celebrate every small victory on your path. Each step forward is crucial in staying motivated and appreciating your efforts. Growth isn't just in big leaps, but in every stride you take. And there you have it, the key steps to foster a growth mindset. By embracing challenges, learning from slips, celebrating progress, and eagerly accepting feedback, you can unlock your full potential. Subscribe for more personal growth insights and share your journey in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.